Do you suffer from depression while doing head drawings? Do they look kinda stiff? Looking for tips on head drawing but can't find any easy tips? Then I have come up with a few simple steps to make your life easier. By following these, you will become the boss of head drawing. Your head drawing will be very cool. Let's hope so. Hello guys, I'm Rafi from raf.arts. Today I will show you how you can easily do head drawing. My tutorial is beginner friendly. You can easily follow it. This is my first tutorial. So, pardon my mistakes. Oh, in case, I'm using Krita and XP Pen tablet. My tablet is XP Pen Deco 01V2. First, we will start with a sphere. Our skulls are almost round, aren't they? So, we have to start with the sphere. Next, I will divide the sphere by cross-sections. The line in the middle acts as our eyebrow line and the long line acts as the center line. Then, we will cut the sides of the sphere as the side planes of our head. Then, I will draw another horizontal line at the bottom of the sphere. This will be our nose line. Then, I will draw another horizontal line with the same length of distance between the eyebrow and nose line. This is our hairline. Then we will extend the center line from the nose line down to the same length. This is our chin line. Then we will draw the jaws on both sides. We've gotten roughly the shape of our face. We got hairline, eyebrow line, nose line and chin line from above. Then, draw two ears on each side along the nose and eyebrow line. Ears are easy to draw. You have to draw two C-curves. Then, I will draw the side plane of our face. These range from the eyebrow line to the chin line. Now I will draw eyebrows and nose. Very simple. Then, I will draw lips between the nose and the chin. Now I will draw my hairs. Now, I will softly erase and draw the eyes. I will define our facial features a little more. I will further define the shape of the face. I will define the hairs. In other words, now I am drawing everything in a little more details. This process is called the Loomis method. Artist Andrew Loomis created this method. Head drawing can be done very easily through this method. I want to make more tutorials in the future. I will make simple tutorials on torso, arms, legs, human figure, everything. So, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. Now enjoy my speedhead drawings.
So please subscribe. Okay, thank you.